Hey, it's EfreetEater. Today I'm going to be talking about pumpkin spice. Spice. Pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice. Anyway, so today I have pumpkin spice Bel Vita, pumpkin spice Oreo, pumpkin spice Cheerio, and pumpkin spice Life. Woo, that's what we're going through right now. Pumpkin spice Life. Alright, and instead of the standard water, I have this sparkling apple maple juice made with sparkling spring water, which is kind of strange. Alright, great. Norman won't be accompanying me today. Here, you can see what he said. It's just like, come on, man. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin spice. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna give it a shot. It's pumpkin spice. Let's start with the Cheerios. You always need a hearty breakfast. Cheerios are where it's at, I guess, right? As you'd expect, they look just like normal Cheerios, but they have a kind of orangish glaze with little dots on them, you know, covered with that kind of thing. Smell a little chemically. I'm gonna eat some without the juice, and then I'm gonna pour the juice on it like I usually do. I mean, it's good, but the flavor's a little strange. It's almost like it's very fake tasting, I feel like. Try it with the sparkling juice or whatnot. Sometimes you drop a Cheerio. It's a sad experience. This actually tastes really good with this juice poured on it. I'm gonna eat some more. Alright. Now remember, pumpkin spice. So nice. Wow. Alright, next I'm gonna be what the heck? I don't know where this guy came from, but anyway, I'm going to be talking about this pumpkin spice Life. I really like the cereal Life. It's pretty good. And fall is full of surprises, so maybe this will be even better. I really like this little design. Find your way through the Life corn maze, and you got this little kind of Pez man there. It's kind of weird. Sorry, pal. Anyway, unlike the Cheerios, this seems to pretty much just be... seems to look a little different than Life. I'm not sure how, though. But it pretty much looks like Life. I'm going to eat some without the juice and then some with it. This is really good. It's a kind of like pumpkin pie flavor. This is great. So far, that's excellent. Tastes a lot actually like apples. and cinnamon. And it doesn't taste as unnatural like the Cheerios. I think the juice, at first I thought it kind of ruined it, but it tastes good. Seems like it's keeping up. Yeah, I definitely recommend that Pumpkin Spice Life. It's excellent. It's really good. It's actually maybe one of the best cereals I've ever tasted. Alright, so that juice sure was good, and the Life was good. Where are all these pumpkins coming from? What the hell? What is this now? Alright, well, that's a thing. Anyway, I'm gonna try out these Bel Vita pumpkin spice. If you don't know, Bel Vita is kind of like it says breakfast biscuit. It's pretty much what it is. Kind of like a cookie, not as sweet though. I generally like Bel Vita. Some of them I don't like as much. I do like the apple cinnamon, but it's a little dry, so maybe this will be a better version of that. It smells very much like cinnamon. It looks like a standard Bel Vita. It has these little grain designs on it. It's good, but the pumpkin spice flavor is actually not very strong. I need another one. Yeah, so it's more cinnamon than anything else. It's good, but if you really are craving the pumpkin spice, you're not really going to get it here. You're just going to kind of get more cinnamon. I want to say it's very good because it's the most subtle, but I feel like it should pop more. Yeah. Alright, finally I'm going to try some of these Oreos. You know, you eat your dessert last, right? Who's this guy now? What's it? You got your friend here. Anyway, let's go. I'm gonna open this up, give it a try. What's weird about this packaging is usually the Oreos will open up at the top and you can seal it. These smell really strong. But this one you just kind of have to open on the side. I don't know. They kind of have a weird look. I mean, they look kind of like the white vanilla sort of cookies, but the cream is like this very dark orange color. Yeah. They're very, very sweet, but at least after I eat one, I have a strong desire to eat another one, even though I feel kind of gross. So pumpkin spice, it's kind of a weird. What the hell is? Whatever. Anyway, pumpkin spice, kind of a weird flavor. You know, if you're all about it, that's cool. If you're not, that's fine. If you're like Norbin, you know, just wanted to tramp on every pumpkin, then, well, that's a thing too. Huh? What the heck is going on? Ah! What the heck? What's with that glowing? Oh, jeez. Where's Norman? Oh no!